드리면서 결혼제기 목줄로기다 가든다 가 먼저 사님만 산들을 가서 맞추시야 니 리치도 먼저 하나저기 개만 예 뜻도 발라 니 먼저 로그서 this 다 로그도 맞서 this 자 게스트로 먼저 대 스페셜 대 반응 먹었지 프린트 샤요 디콜라지 대세지 나로시스와 한 디가나니 소디 아니 페다 아니 가운체기 제남다 드즈콜 아니 야나기 대세 교회와 아니 yala 대표로 투체 주기 이 정말 직선으로
I want you to talk, interact, respond to your neighbors. But how? Shukla. Can you all say that word? Say it after me. Shukla. Shukla. Any language, when you speak, you never want to emphasize. Shukla. It doesn't go like that. Human language flows like water. So repeat after me. Shukla. Thank you. Shukla. You already learned one word today. Without any effort, you just learned one word. 1, 2, 3. Can you say that word again? 1, 2, 3. Ah, man, I knew you all are intelligent, smart. So today, Shukla, that's 0. Okay, 0. This cable is coming from underground. Okay. Now, the next one is when I say number 2. What does that mean? To Yun, Cha Jie, Jirdang. That means the way we normally talk, the normal voice level. In general, how we communicate with each other in a very civilized, polite way. That would be number 2. Now we come to number 3. Oh, you're wrong. Okay, now here, number 3. Gender, Ronji, Dudu. Okay, these words, never mind. Number 3 is when you have a presentation. Right now, my voice level is what? Do you think it's 0? Do you think it's 1? Do you think it's 2? Do you think it's 3? Yes. Presentation, because I'm presenting. So I have to be a little bit louder than the normal. That's true. Now we come to the last one. Number 4. When I say number 4, where are we? Setang. Setang is the yard, the playground, the basketball court. Shooting. That's the name, right? Oh, okay. Sorry, I mispronounced that. So it's not Los Angeles, it's Sultan. Okay, good, very good. Now I'm going to switch over. I normally start with this because I don't want anybody feeling uncomfortable. Okay, so we know our standard. And now I'm going to switch my mode. Now go to somewhere else. Give me a second. And now there is one question. When you look around on the posters, I want you to tell me in one word, what is it that you see the most? The Dalai Lama, His Holiness. Another way of saying it, right? His Holiness, the Dalai Lama.
Compassion.
Where is compassion? Oh my, that is interesting. She saw compassion. Where is compassion?
He's
Speak louder, please. Number 2.
he's being nice to people.
Okay, that's the definition of compassion. But my question was, what do you see? Look at the posters, and what do you see? He saw the Dalai Lama. He saw His Holiness. But you saw compassion. Where did you see compassion?
On the
On the way?
On the posters.
Okay. On the posters, do you see it? Where is it? Where is compassion on the posters?
Like right there.
No? This is her turn. Right now it's her turn.
On the big one. The big one.
Okay. Guys, everybody, please follow me. Here. Where is compassion? You know what, actually? Come over here. What's your name again?
Dachin?
Echin. Come on, show me compassion. Oh, that's. She saw the word compassion. Now, that's a very intelligent way of answering that question. What do you see on the posters? Yeah, you can see in many different ways. A big word, it is called perspective. People see things in a different way. People interpret things in a different way. But it's all the same. Just let's do a quick review of the three answers we got. He saw the Dalai Lama on the posters. Absolutely correct. He saw His Holiness. Absolutely correct. But he put it in a different way. She saw the word compassion. Here is the question, tricky question. Now here, you better dig deep into your brain, okay? This question is a little bit tricky. He's already smiling. He's saying to himself, I know the answer. All right. Who can give me in one or two words the connection between the two gentlemen here and the lady here? In other words, what is the connection between the Dalai Lama that you see and the word compassion? Do you see? What is the connection? Yes.
He's like doing actions and he's like spreading compassion through his actions of other people.
So His Holiness the Dalai Lama represents the action of compassion, right? Yes, I told you. Go deep deeper into your brain, and she really went deep. Now, a following question. Anybody here, 8th graders? 7th graders? Good. 6th graders? Good. 5th? You should be in 6th or 7th. What grade are you in? Huh? 5th grade. Okay. What grade are you in? 4th? 4. Okay. 3 of you may have should have no problem. I'm looking for this word. Pay attention, okay? The Dalai Lama, or His Holiness, we see in the photo. She saw the action of the Dalai Lama mostly is called compassion. If that is true, if that is the case, I want you to give me a metaphor. 8th graders should have no problem. I want a metaphor or a simile between compassion and the Dalai Lama. A metaphor, yes.
Compassion is to the Dalai Lama as being nice, as a person who does good things.
Yes. Now, can you put a metaphor? Let me give you an example. Look at me. I'm really strong. I know you're laughing, but just for an example, I'm very strong. And I'm very furious also. Okay? And I'm very powerful. So metaphorically speaking, I'm a tiger. Got it? So now, you see the Dalai Lama's photo, you see the word compassion, which describes the action of the Dalai Lama. Therefore, metaphorically speaking, what is the connection between the two? The Dalai Lama and his action, compassion. No, it doesn't have to be. So Dalai Lama is what? I am a tiger. Cause, like I said, powerful, I'm strong. What? You're very close. Use the word. Compassionate. That's an adjective, right? Use a noun. So the Dalai Lama is? Exactly. Dalai Lama is compassion. Dalai Lama personifies compassion. In the Tibetan, we say, Ningji Dangyi. That means there is no difference between the concept of compassion, Ningji, and His Holiness. He is the compassion. Compassion is the Dalai Lama. Did you get it? Did you get it? I'm so happy you got it, because what we are about to do now is all based on that. Okay? So now be sharp, okay? Be sharp. Very, very sharp. You have to be very sharp with me again. Oh, Namjala, can you help me? In that box, you will see construction papers. And then also you'll see color pencils. Uh-oh. Yeah, you don't have tables to write on. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're still on 0. Now you see here, I wrote here, if you can read it, in the reflection, I wrote here, the year of compassion, 2025, July of 2025. To be very, very specific, 6th of July 2025 to 6th of July 2026. That year is now known as the Compassion Year, right? So it's just a way to remind to all of ourselves about compassion. Do I have your attention? I don't see attention at the back. Thank you, Chujumla, undivided attention. Remember, straight look at me, straight look at me. All right, so now we have the year of compassion. Again in Tibetan, Samje Lo. Samje Lo. Okay, I think you can do this. Can you repeat after me? Samje Lo. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Samje Lo. Oh, repeat after me. Okay, first 1, 2, 3. Samje Lo. Now on your own. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Louder. Oh, yeah, and see now with all that action, I like Chamze. That's beautiful. Can you repeat? Chamzelo. Very good. Now, why you putting your hands like that? You okay? Yeah. All right. So, if this year till 6th of July 2026, all the way up to that, we have to be compassionate. Okay. In other words, we have to be compassionate. So now we have to be compassionate. So how we are going to do it? I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you with 2 things. Okay. 1, what is compassion? And then number 2, how, put it differently, what is compassion? And the next one will be, how can you be compassionate? Okay. And 3, what it takes to be compassionate. Those 3 things we try to do. We understand that? Lady at the back, the ladies at the back, I need your attention, please, thank you. Now, when you are able to do those 3 things, you will fully understand the Dalai Lama. Okay? I want you to have that feeling of compassion so that you can connect with His Holiness. Not because somebody says right? Because you can connect, all right? So that's what we're going to do. To do that, we will do a simple activity. I gave you all a construction paper, right? Fold it into half. Perfect half. Fold it into half. Perfect half. Okay. Then press on the spine like this. Press on the spine. Good. You get it? Now, again, fold it into half. Okay. I want to wait. Everybody's done with that. Done? Oh, good, good, very good. Yeah, fold it into half and press the spine. Okay, this is your spine, right? Easy. So press it, and now hold the paper like this. Make sure the spine is on your left hand side. You got it? Okay, hold like this so that the spine is on your left hand side. Got it? Hold like this. Now look at me. We're going to hold it into another half. Again, same thing. Press the spine. Got it? Now, you have to be a little bit faster. Okay? Again, hold like this. Make sure the spine is on your left. Hold like this and make sure the spine is on your left. Got it? Now you better watch me. Now it gets a little bit tricky. Got it all like this? Hold like this. Spine is on your left. Now, somebody is still not done. We're waiting.
Oh, sorry, I'm just making sure it's like.
Okay? Make sure the spine is on your left side of the hand. Okay? Now, look at me first. Don't do it. This part is a little bit tricky. All right, now, here's the spine on my left. I'm going to do like this, and then about this big, I want to fold it in. See? So make sure it's from the spine. Yes, hold it in. Now, because you got it big. Okay, got it? And now, this part is a little bit tricky, okay? Watch again. And now you have this one, right? It's a triangle here. And now I want you to make that into half. Fold that into half. So now you have two folds. You see? I was supposed to connect this one so that you can see how I'm doing it, but today the technology does not cooperate with me. Got it? Now let's check whether you got it right or wrong. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Everybody got it right. Everybody got it right. You got two.
One got it wrong.
Help him.
How you
Please help him.
Yella, my brother got it wrong.
See, look.
You got it wrong, right?
Do it on the spine.
He got it wrong.
Okay, help. Now help him. No, fold this again. He got it right. He got it right.
Then open it.
Got it?
Oh,
Well, once unfold yours.
you did it
No,
wrong.
got it. Okay, got it right. Got it right. And now, okay, we need to get a paper. Yeah, fold it that one. Oh shit! Đó thằng nó lại cái chiều. Thằng lại cái chiều. Nó sao thì chiều.
Oh my god.
Okay. You cut here.
Get you. You want us to pass
Yeah.
this out?
One each.
You want each?
It's a sticker, self-sticking, and I want you to put that in one of the corners, and then write your name.
Yeah, I'm gonna pass out the stickers. You guys got one sticker each.
One each.
One each.
That's enough for
And then peel
everybody.
it, and then put it in one corner, right?
Yeah, in one of the corners.
Wait, any side like this?
Any side. On any of the sides.
Like anywhere?
Don't copy me.
I did it first.
So satisfying.
You line this up.
It's okay. It's okay. Now, this is track. You have to hold it. The wind will blow it away. Okay.
Oh wait.
What am I supposed to do? Hold it. Yeah.
Give me
Put
the-
it in
yeah.
there.
That's
Pass,
good.
pass, pass the trash back, and make sure the paper goes in there. Okay. It'll blow away
You
otherwise.
guys are done peeling.
Okay, yeah, go. Yes. What?
Okay. Done.
What does she mean? Can I have that?
Okay. Good.
Okay, everybody's good.
Got it. On that name tag, write your name, full name.
In English?
If you know in Tibetan, better even. Otherwise, English.
It's not showing up.
It's not showing up. Use your pen,
Oh, let me go get.
I guess.
or use a different color, maybe a darker
darker
pencil,
Pen, yeah, pen,
darker pencil color.
pen, yeah.
Okay.
How do you write Tenzin in Tibetan?
How do you write Tenzin in Tibetan? Well,
You know it?
I don't know.
write in English. Write in English, because we have a couple of activities to do. May not have enough time.
Second name,
Okay.
Oh my god.
Can I borrow the pen after you?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the. I have a pen.
Don't.
But I have a pen.
Use the pen. Here. Anybody needs a pen
This pen, this pen.
to write with? Yeah, and then pass on.
Just write it quickly so I can give it to somebody else. See if that works. Yeah.
Oh, just sit around.
Why is it so hard to write here?
Good. You have 3 more minutes. No,
Anyone
3
get a pen?
seconds left to finish.
Pen.
1, 2,
I think we're good.
and
Need a pen?
3. Done? Who's not done? 1. She hasn't finished. Did you write your name? Oh, done, right? Oh, good, good, very good. Now, if you have written your name, then please look up, look to the front. You got it? Pencils down. No coloring. Pencils down. I have 2 ladies. They love writing the name
No, I'm just going.
in a very fancy way. Okay, got it? Oh, she wrote in Tibetan. What is? You wrote in Tibetan. So, young. Okay, very good. All right, now, everybody, look up to me. 1, 2, 3. To me, look up to me. Okay. Relax. Sit up and relax. Good. Somebody's still writing. Okay. Undivided attention. Thank you. Now, we go, move on. Hold on a second. Look this way. Make sure you're listening. Okay? All right, now.
If you want others to be happy,
This.
practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion.
Can you read that again a little bit louder?
If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion.
This is what we're going to do. He's going to read the first sentence. The class is going to read the remaining part of the sentence. Okay? So you read the. You will only read.
If you want to be, if you want others to be happy,
Practice compassion.
I want louder. I want you to be louder. I want the class to be louder. I want children to pay attention. Look up to, and I want your arms down. Sit back, gentlemen here. Put your arms down. Arms down. Sit properly. Sit with it properly. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. High five. What's going on here? Give me Okay. Now, all right. Loudly, and my class will repeat. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3.
If you want others to be happy,
Practice compassion.
Wow. Another one.
if you want to be happy,
Practice compassion.
That's one.
Dalai Lama.
Very good.
Dalai Lama.
See? Yeah. It says if you want to be happy, practice compassion. If you want to be what? Happy, practice what? Compassion. Let's repeat it 2 times. Thank you so much. Okay? Beautiful. Now, what is the most important word in that short sentence? Yes.
Compassion.
Yes, another word. Can you just say compassion, compassion, and something's going to happen? No. What do you have to do?
Be happy.
No.
Or practice.
Practice. The word compassion is on the poster. It's not going to do much. But we have to do what?
Practice.
We have to practice. Can you put that in a different way? What do you mean by practice?
Work on it.
No, I want some response from here. What do you mean by practice? What do you mean by practice compassion? If you want to be happy, practice compassion. That means you have to do what? 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 A little bit louder, please. Be nice. Another word, simile for be nice. Be kind. Another word, be nice. Be kind. Be well. The happy will be the result. Okay. Right now we're talking about the action.
Respectful.
Yes. Be respectful. Repeat the 3 words now. Be respectful. Be kind. Be
Nice.
Be nice. There are so many words. Be nice. Be kind. Be polite. Be respectful. Mindful. Be mindful. All those things are nothing but practice of compassion. If you do that, what will happen? What you will get is the result. We'll talk about that later. Got it? So far, are we okay? You okay? All right. Now we go to the next one. Okay? Now we go to the next one. Okay. I want you to be really smart now. I will repeat the questions only 2 times. Okay? Only 2 times. I want you to look at this. Don't worry about what's written on the top for now. Just look at this. Eighth graders, 6th graders, 7th graders, 5th graders should have no problem. You learned this in the class so many times. Okay? Look at the photo. What is the problem there? Ooh, she is always the first taker, all right? Yes,
It's raining.
that's the problem. That's the problem. Compassion does not work if there is no problem. Okay? Compassion does not work if there is no problem. Problem? What you busy with? Okay. Now, you got it right. There's a problem. Now the next question, I need somebody, especially a gentleman, okay? Who has the problem? Again, he's still late. Look at the 8th graders.
I'm 7th grade.
Who has the problem?
The tiger.
The tiger. The tiger has the problem. Why not the little girl has a problem? Because,
she has a suit.
yeah, she's got a raincoat, she's got an umbrella, no problem. But what she sees is a little tiger having problem. We got to do something, right? We got to do something now. Now you stay with me, okay? Same image. We identified the problem. We identified who has the problem, right? We also identified who does not have the problem. Now, the same image, I want you to think about the feelings. Let's first talk about the tiger. What is the feeling of the tiger? I want somebody else over there. Yes. Huh? Grateful. Now you went too fast. I'm talking about it's raining, there's a problem, there are two characters, and then a hoodie man. Oh man, that is something. You know, in my classroom, I used to have a boombox. At this moment, I'll put that on and I'll be dancing. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Excellent. You are not my audience. I know. Yeah, can you say that again, please?
She wanted to share.
No. I want.
Oh,
She wanted.
She wanted to share her happiness, so she wanted to spread her happiness and kindness and compassion. So she shared her umbrella with the little tiger, so
Yes.
the tiger wouldn't be sad.
The word is the spread. The word is the spread. Share, you can say, but she wanted to spread. What happened now? What happens if you spread your feeling? Be smart. Be smart. Listen to the question. What happens if you spread your feeling? Think. What happens? You got certain type of feelings. Could be anything, right? If you spread it out, better challenge these two ladies over here. Yes.
Before or after?
Remember, there's raining. Oh, very good. Man, you guys are really making my day. Before and after what?
I was asking before or after the umbrella.
Before or after the umbrella. You see that? You see that? Can you believe that? How old are you? 10? And what grade? 4. A 10, a 4th grader is now challenging me. And I love it. Because when I threw that open question, what is a little tiger feeling? He wants to get more specific. And he says, before or after umbrella. Oh man, can you imagine that? Come on, man. Okay, so I will rephrase my question. Before the umbrella.
The little tiger was feeling sad. That's why
Exactly. The little tiger was feeling sad and lonely. If you don't have a situation like that, a little tiger under the rain, completely soaked, feeling sad, and then you are right there, umbrellas on, your raincoat on, that situation gave you an opportunity to do what?
To share compassion.
There you
compassion.
go. Louder.
To share compassion.
To share compassion. So compassion is not a concept. Compassion is what? An action.
A feeling.
So remember this. Compassion is an active verb. What is compassion?
An active
An
verb.
active verb. In other words, it is a verb and shows action. Now we go to the next one. But before we go to the next one, the third one, now I'll try to go a little bit faster because you got the hang of it. Now, what's the action here? What is the action here? Yes. Huh? No, first just what did she do?
Compassion.
No?
Oh my god.
Yes.
She shared her umbrella with the tiger.
Yeah. Remember, we always want to see the action first, and then we want to describe what is that action. It could be kindness, respectful. It can be, remember we talked about, it can be love, kindness, responsibility, on and on. So now we go to the next one. And remember I told you I'm going to go a little bit faster. Now we go to the last one. And now, what's the result? Yes, happiness. Remember that His Holiness photo? Joy. Stay with me. What did His Holiness say here? If you want happiness, practice compassion. Remember, he read and we repeated. If you want to be joyful, practice compassion. If you want to be happy, practice compassion. So the result, we got the result here. Who's happy? Yes. Yes, the girl and the tiger. Now we can talk the whole day today, just this little episode event. But now we're going to transition to another activity. You know what I did? Because of time, I did not ask you to write it down here. That's why you have two, right? But now the next one, we're going to do writing. Everybody with me? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 900 students here. Look at me, okay? Thank you. Now, 900 students, okay? That's kind of high, really.
900.
Look at that. Look at that folder. And now, at this time, remember, you have 4 squares. You have 4 squares, and inside you have a diamond. Right? Did you see the diamond? Let me show you. Here. The inner diamond. You see that? In that inner diamond, can you draw that image
I guess not.
and color it any way you want? And doesn't have to be perfect. Okay? Just to represent a concept. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, because otherwise it will take a long time. As long as it looks like that, that's fine. Correct?
Oh my god,
Ow! Gila, can I see the?
Your body is covering the.
If you messed up, doesn't really matter, you know.
he's in the way. I can't see you.
Okay, you got 2 minutes, okay? You're on timer.
I'm done. Gila, you like it?
Okay, very good. That's fine. That's it. That's it. Doesn't have to be perfect. All I want you to have something over there to remember. 2 minutes.
So hungry. I could eat a fly.
Beautiful. Yes. You got it? And if you still have some time, you got about a minute. If you want to color it, color it. Okay, got it?
Hey,
Somebody's paper is flying. Oh, okay.
like my drawing.
Now we are about finish, okay? So don't worry.
Big brain.
엄마 멋지다. 엄마 멋지다.
Draw that figure. Draw that figure in the middle.
Oh my god.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to
Button die. White card. Green card. Orange.
AI satisfied sound.
Children. Got it? No. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect, all right? Time up.
엄마 멋지다.
Amala. 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 I'm hungry.
5, so 15, 10 seconds, 10, 12 seconds. Almost done. Almost done. Okay, you got only 9 seconds, 8 seconds, and 7, and 6, 4, 3, 2.
6, 7.
Okay,
Oh my god.
finish, all right?
I tried at least.
Got it?
Wait, I need to do the outside lines. But whatever.
Stop! Stop!
Oh, something was wrong with my phone. Okay, got it? Umbrella. The timer is stuck now.
Wait, what's the slide?
Okay, you got it? You're gonna move, all right? Okay, now stay with me. Come on. Okay, now. We already did that one, Baba. We already did that. Now we're gonna go here. We also did that. We're gonna go here. Now. Okay. Okay, hold a second. Hold a second. Hold a second. Where's my paper that I can show you? Oh, here it is.
I know what you mean.
Okay, now everybody look up here, please. Everybody look up here. All right, now remember outside you have this space over here. I want you to write over there. Okay. You got it? You got it? Look up here. You can choose any side, but on one of this, you write number 1 and you write problem.
Wait,
You
do
got
we,
it?
have, do we have to write the line here?
It doesn't matter.
Okay. I will.
Okay. Over here, outside the space, you're going to write number 1, circle it, and then write problem. And then go to the next space, number 2, write feeling, and go to the third one, number 3, circle it, put action. Then the fourth one, number 4, put the word result. The same thing we did with the little girl and the tiger.
What's
Only
the
thing is, the fourth is the result. So what you have? Number 1, you have problem. Number 2, feeling. Number 2,
Number 3, action.
action.
Number
Number 4,
four, result.
you have the result. Same with the little tiger and the little girl. You got it? So this time, you will be writing those words.
You guys are so.
You got it? Everybody got? Stay with me. Okay, now. 4th graders will have a little bit problem, I know.
I will not have a problem.
Okay, now. Remember, look at the picture. Now, this time, no saying nothing, okay? You just follow my directions. You look at the picture like you look at the picture with the little girl and the little tiger. Now, look at the picture. And here, number 1. What is the problem?
Do we
Okay,
write it down?
so now here. This is your number 1, right? This is your number 1. And where do you write the problem? Here,
In this box.
in this big space. Okay, problem. What's the problem? If you want to write one or two words, that's okay. If you want to write a short sentence, it's okay. My previous plan was that you will actually write in detail, but we have no time. Okay, so now here, number one, in the diamonds problem, you look at the picture. What problem do you see? This one. You see this one. You see this one.
Both of them.
Both of them, and try to identify the problem. Just like the little girl, the little tiger, and the rain. Rain was the problem, remember? And here, what is the problem? Did you write it? You can write this one word, two words, or you can write a sentence. It's up to you. Like she's writing a paragraph. Did I see that? But she's an 8th grader.
I'm 7.
She's a seven. Oh, she's a 7th grader. Man, you must have a good teacher. What's your teacher's name? English.
Miss Medina.
Miss Medina. Tell her I said she's a good teacher.
Yeah.
You tell him I met an old retired public school English teacher, and he said what I said, right? Yeah, she'll love it.
Yeah.
Now you got the problem. Okay, this time you all have different answers. I know, and that's the way it should be. Okay, our example of the little girl and the little tiger was very obvious. But here it's a little bit more complex. But then you have a very complex brain too. So you have different take, you have different perspective, which is always the best. So you wrote your problems. Now we're going to go move to the next one. Okay. This is the photo you're going to focus on. I have 2 photos for that. What's the feeling here? What's the feeling here? Either you look at it, this one, okay, this is His Holiness the Dalai Lama. I gave you, I should have, erased that. When I was preparing, I forgot to erase it. I don't know. Okay, or you can look at this picture. All right, and the caption here says Tibetans who escaped the historian net.
Wait, can you go to the slide for 2 seconds?
The
Like
other
other
one?
one? Yeah.
It's
No,
here.
the
My
other
sad
one.
stomach. I'm so hungry.
No, like the one two before.
To prior to that?
Yeah. Okay. Well, wait. Okay, you can go. You can go.
Okay, so you can either look at this or look at this. You just have to see what's the feeling here. Now, when you say feeling, remember I said there'll be different answers, okay? And that is what we want.
The pictures were China invading Tibet, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This guy is somebody else, man. He's always on the mark. He's always wants to be the perfect. Okay? So, answers will be different. There is no wrong answer here. Okay? As long as you think, look at it, listen to your own heart. Whatever it says to you, that's the correct answer. Got it? We're going to move to the next one. Now, what is that?
Yay!
I didn't do my job very well. What is the
You just
action
just
here?
stand in front of it. Just stand in front of it.
Okay.
What are they doing? Looking for food?
What is the action here? They already saw it.
Looking for food.
Looking for food?
What? They're doing this.
I told you, any answer you get is the perfect answer. Write it down, gentlemen.
Yeah, you got that. You got that.
Gentlemen, yes, that's how the brain
No,
has
it's right
to
here.
work. Okay, you got it? I am hiding the answer.
How do you spell?
Answer that I was thinking of. Got it? You look at the picture. A bunch of Tibetan refugees when we first came. You guys were not even in this world. I was one of them. Okay, so I know. At that time, you were not even in this world. Got it? Now, what's the feeling? Let me give you a clue. Feeling of His Holiness, feeling of the people, feeling of the who's watching me. So all will be different answers.
Oh my.
All right? And now we got it. What's the action here? What is the action here? No, you're going to write it down. There's no sharing this time. You know why? Because then it gives ideas to others. I want your own answer. Got it? We're going to go to the next one. What is the action here again? Please repeat. Look up it. Look at action. Same thing. On the same space you can write. More. What is the action here?
Love.
Love Valentine's Day.
Oh my god. You
Okay.
shouldn't be knowing about that yet.
Wait.
Yes.
Care.
Care. Okay.
Wait.
This is sorry. I didn't do my homework. Well. All right. Now, remember sharing. Now, again, I didn't erase that word. What's the action here?
Execute.
Nothing new. What I did just now is nothing new. It was all in your heart. It was all in your head. Remember? Hello? Remember when we started? I said, look, where's the compassion? And all these words you guys came up with. You said caring, you said love, you said sharing. Remember? Earlier when we talked about that poster.
Oh yeah.
Remember? And someone said sharing, when you share, it grows. Remember? We are just making a complete circle. So whatever I presented here, whatever activity I created, is not a new thing. It was already in yourself. I just organized it. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Did you learn anything new from me?
Yeah.
Nothing. Zero. You all knew what compassion is. You knew what feeling is. All right? You knew sharing is what? Love, caring. I just organized them. And so now, please look at me. This is something I want to add to you. Can you see look at the slides, please? Here. His Holiness the Dalai Lama is, metaphorically speaking, His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the compassion itself. Is the personification of compassion. His Holiness, another name for His Holiness is compassion. Why? Because, especially here, for the Tibetan people, especially, he cared for the Tibetan people. Like as if the Tibetan people are a bunch of eggs. And eggs are very delicate,
Sensitive.
undivided. Look at me, please. This is I want to share. Okay, this is something I want to share with you. His Holiness treated.
So I'm not finished.
I know you haven't finished. You can get back to that later. But let me do it first, man. Remember, I already said I just took out of you what you already have. But now there is something that I have inside my chest. I want to share that with you. Okay? All right, so look up. His Holiness, in his action of compassion for the entire world, but now I'm zooming at the Tibetans. The Tibetans, before you were born, I was 9 years old when I climbed the Mount Everest and came down walking. A little bit hyperbole, but it's true. Okay? And then I saw His Holiness only 24 years old. I was only 10 or 11 years old. And now he's 90 years old. And I'm 72 years old. So in all that period of time, I saw him in action. I saw him in compassionate action. So I have some authority to say what I'm saying because I saw it. I experienced it. Okay? It's not just a poster. I saw it. I shared it. And so I want to represent those ideas, thoughts into visual presentation. Look at that. This is how he cared for the Tibetans. And more. This is how he cared. And then when he saw the problem of Tibet, because Chinese came and invaded, thousands of Tibetans fled away. When he saw the problem, he had a feeling. That feeling is called compassion, love, care. And then he did not just sit back, but he took action. And that action is called compassion. You see that? How can we visually represent those ideas, compassion, caring, love, this way? The heart. Look at that. The heart in the hand of His Holiness. Then earlier somebody said, remember, compassion is sharing, right? Then His Holiness the Lama shared his compassion to the world. Are you with me or am I losing you? I got only 3 minutes left, okay? Then I know. Okay. And then His Holiness, what did he do? He shared his compassion. Not just the Tibetans, he shared his compassion to the entire world. And then, what else did he do in his action? Not only he cared the Tibetans like this, like the eggs and the heart, but he again took his action into something very, very tangible, something you can see and touch. What did he do? He established schools. You guys were not in this world at that time, okay? He established schools for the Tibetans and the Tibetan kids who did not have parents. He established orphanage. He established places for the old people to stay. In India, when I have to tell you this. When I came from Tibet, I was 9 years old, my hair was this long. Because like the Red Indians, we never cut our hair. So it was plaited like a pigtail, and I had my hair up to here. And I used to wear the goat skin chuba. And when I reached India, Darjeeling side, it was so hot. Okay, so hot that some Indians helped us. They took our clothes away and they gave me what it is called today, pant. And then no shoes. We gave him a flip-flop. Then in Kalimpong, I used to walk around, and it was so hot that one day when I was walking, what had happened? Flip-flop. Oh, a car is coming, and it honked. And I tried to run to the side, but one of the flip-flops got stuck over there on the termite. So what did I do? I ran back to get my the flip-flop. The car stopped there with a screeching brake. The driver came out and gave me a tight slap. For real, not kidding, I'm not making up. My first experience in India from Tibet. The next experience, they took me to a barber, cut my hair. I cried. Okay, so now he opened school. Did you see here? This is see, beautiful. If you want to fold it, it's up to you. But I would fold it this way so that your name tag is in the front, and it looks cute and nice, right over there, like that. See, that looks nice. So now you can put this in your pocket. You know why? Because right in the center of this page, there are 2 diamonds. You know about that? And those 2 diamonds will stay with you for your life. Because those 2 diamonds represent compassion. Got it? Thank you so much, everybody.
아니 그게 내가 긴 신경 요래 그런 저기 대화 쉬버래 다리 뒤 먼저 나야 뒤 정아르기 소체니까 방어도 조절 지하셔래 뒷점으로 뭐 제가 제버트레도 마 산지도 별로 마 아니지 고돌이야 숨로치스 뒤 먼저 딱 다리 라운드 보치라 도트에게 먼저 슉 잡으래 이제 쌍막에 파막에 투제 자수 먼저 줄레게 투제 자이 아니 또 결락이 될라 투제 땅체 다리 대 패버래 안들라 먼저 줄레 먼저 안들라게 먼저 투지체랑 지라지 투기 넘어서 차있다고 나
Thank you.